How to Ancient Egypt. To understand ancient Egypt, it's helpful to explore various aspects of its civilization. Timeline. Ancient Egypt spanned over 3,000 years, divided into periods like the Old Kingdom, Middle Kingdom, and New Kingdom. Understanding these periods helps in grasping the evolution of Egyptian civilization. Geography. Ancient Egypt flourished along the Nile River, which provided fertile land for agriculture. The Nile also facilitated transportation and communication. Government and society. Ancient Egypt was ruled by pharaohs, who were believed to be divine. The society was hierarchical, with the pharaoh at the top, followed by nobles, priests, scribes, artisans, and peasants. Religion. Religion played a central role in ancient Egyptian life. They worshipped a pantheon of gods and goddesses, with each deity associated with specific aspects of life and nature. The pharaoh was seen as a mediator between the gods and the people. Culture and art. Ancient Egyptians excelled in art, architecture, and literature. They built monumental structures like the pyramids, temples, and tombs. Hieroglyphs, their writing system, adorned walls, papyri, and other surfaces. Daily life. Daily life in ancient Egypt revolved around agriculture, religion, and family. Most people were involved in farming, while others worked as craftsmen, merchants, or scribes. Families were patriarchal, with the father as the head of the household. Burial practices. Egyptians believed in an afterlife and spent considerable resources on preparing for it. Elaborate tombs, mummification, and burial rituals were common practices to ensure the deceased's journey to the afterlife. Decline and legacy. Ancient Egypt faced periods of prosperity and decline due to factors like invasions, internal strife, and environmental changes. However, its legacy in art, architecture, science, and culture continues to influence the world today. Thank you for watching.